Hi everyone, welcome back to Mega Builds Pro. Today is the biggest construction update yet from Spotify Camp Nou. We're taking you high above the stadium for a full terrace view. See cranes in action, glass panels going up, and the third tier growing fast. Stay tuned. This is Camp Nou like you've never seen before. Let's zoom in to get a clearer view. This entire corner section is ready, with supports and anchors already installed. Right now, the crane used to lift the Lamas is stopped. Most Lamas are red, although there are a few blue ones as well. Compared to last Monday, no new Lamas have been installed in the bracket area. There are several elevated platforms in this area. This crane can't lift the piece to the top of the stadium. We can also see another piece that looks like one of the pillars installed weeks ago. Over there, there's another similar piece for the compression level. As you can see, there are plenty of Lamas prepared for continued installation in the lateral sections. There's a lot of activity with the Lamas, and we can also see progress on the glass panels. Many panels are already installed, though not all of them. At the far end, several panels are still pending. Let's continue sweeping through the area. The glass areas are full of panels ready to be installed. In the south goal area, glass is also planned. From this angle, it doesn't look like much has been installed yet. Now let's move up to the second overhang level. There's quite a lot of activity today. Looking toward the grandstand, you can clearly see how much the prefabricated seating has advanced. Fans attending the match will notice the growth. In this upper area, work is being done behind red safety nets. Let's take a closer look at the lower part of the south goal. Many anchors have been installed. This sector is quite advanced. Only a few anchors are still missing, but most have been installed. Further back, an orange crane is working near the stair structure. Now we're back at ground level, in front of the area where we saw the anchors earlier. All the anchors are already installed. This sector is almost fully ready. Soon they'll be able to start installing Lamas here as well. Look at this huge surprise. A massive piece is being carried here. It wasn't here yesterday. The one we saw from above was different. For now, it's just resting on the slab, handled by several people. They'll likely install it soon, though I missed seeing it lifted from above. Activity continues on the parking garage wall. This piece is enormous and will take time to position. From above, it seemed both pieces were in place, but only the background one was. Let's move on and check other areas. This section is now finished, with all slats installed up to the pillar. Some aerial platforms are still working below, but the support section is complete. Last Monday, many slats were missing. Now they're all in place. Workers are checking and adjusting details behind the slats. Overall, this section is complete. The large piece is positioned. A worker explained it was lifted yesterday and lowered, which is why aerial views looked different. I moved to the corner area. The red crane and truck are still in place. Pieces removed weeks ago remain on the ground, with no new concrete poured yet. Before leaving, a final look at the large piece. They'll likely start installing bolts or fixing it for the compression ring soon. The north stand corner has supports in place, but anchors aren't installed yet. Several people are working above. In the middle section, 2 lifting platforms are active on the lower slab. Some supports seem for elevator structures rather than slats. Work is ongoing on a black beam, while the left area remains quiet. The stand is expected to open by Sunday. Enormous pipes have been brought into the corner. Some are already fixed in place. Repair materials are visible, indicating structure fixes. Significant progress is happening here, an area that usually saw little movement. The grandstand block wall is mostly painted black, with a small section still in progress. Pipes are coming out toward the black beam and scaffolding. Prefabricated bleachers and some black material are being moved. Aerial platforms and new prefabricated stairs are also in use. The diamond-shaped FC Barcelona store area has nearly all windows in place, except a few on the left and in front of the column. Some pieces are still being prepared. Activity inside suggests more crystals are being readied. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to Mega Builds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Mega Builds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates only here on Mega Builds Pro.